We have the Ninja XL food processor. As someone who loves spending time in the kitchen and enjoys experimenting with different recipes, the Ninja XL food processor has been a game changer for me. With its powerful motor and versatile functionality, this appliance has revolutionized the way I prepare my meals and saved me countless hours of tedious food prep that I do not like. What I like about this Ninja is that it's very powerful. It can take down the toughest ingredients. No matter what I throw at it, I feel like it can handle it and it's not going to stop. Whether I'm chopping vegetables, shredding cheese, pureeing soups, kneading dough, the Ninja definitely powers through all those tasks quickly and efficiently, saving me valuable time in the kitchen. One thing I like about this Ninja is that it has suction cups on the bottom. So when you're doing your purees, mixing things, it's not jumping around the counter. It's really tight to the table or your countertop. I also appreciate the 4-in-1 functionality of this food processor, which includes chopping, slicing, pureeing, dough making capabilities as well. Another feature that sets it apart is that its large capacity. So the extra large size bowl accommodates generous portions, making it ideal for meal prepping or cooking for large families. Plus, the included 9-cup work bowl provides ample space for handling big batches of ingredients without the need for multiple rounds of processing. In terms of design, the Ninja definitely is sleek and sturdy. The compact footprint saves valuable countertop space, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Overall, I highly recommend the Ninja Professional XL food processor to anyone looking to streamline their meal prep process or take their culinary creations to the next level.